Hello everyone, and welcome to the Life in English podcast. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jen. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We are, Jen. Welcome. So, how are you feeling today, Jen?
Oh, I'm feeling great, Kevin. And you?
You know, I'm okay, but I was a little sick last week. It wasn't fun.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I had a bad headache, a little fever, and my throat was very sore. I needed to see a doctor.
Ah, that's a perfect topic for today. Because today, we are talking about making a doctor's appointment and explaining basic symptoms.
Exactly. It's something everyone needs to do, but it can be difficult in another language.
It's true. So, our goal today is to make it easy and clear for you. We are going to talk about the words you need, the sentences you can use, and we will practice together.
And remember, this is for A2 level, so we keep it simple and practical. No complicated medical words today, just the basics.
Perfect. So, let's start with the basics. Kevin, why don't you tell us, what is the first thing you need to do when you feel sick and you want to see a doctor?
The first thing? Well, I need to call the doctor's office. Or maybe I can book an appointment online.
Yes, to make an appointment or to book an appointment. That's the first step. You contact the doctor's office.
Right? So, let's start with some vocabulary for that. What do we call the person who answers the phone at the doctor's office?
Often, it's a receptionist. Or you can just say the person at the office.
Okay, good. And when you call, you need to give some information. Your name, of course.
Yes, my name is Easy. And maybe your date of birth? My date of birth is, or I was born on.
Good. And you need to say why you want the appointment. This is the important part. You need to explain your symptoms.
Symptoms. That's a great word. Symptoms are the things you feel when you are sick, like a headache, a cough, a fever.
Let's make a list of very common symptoms. Jen, you start.
Okay, a headache. I have a headache.
Yes. A sore throat. I have a sore throat.
A cough. I have a cough. It can be a dry cough or a bad cough.
A runny nose. I have a runny nose.
Or a blocked nose. My nose is blocked.
Haha, yes, very different feelings. A fever. I have a fever.
Stomach problems. I have a stomach ache. Or, I feel sick. That can mean you want to vomit.
Good distinction. I feel sick is general, but it can mean nausea. I feel nauseous is more specific, but maybe for A2 we say my stomach hurts, or I feel sick to my stomach.
Yes, keep it simple. Body aches, my body hurts. My muscles ache.
Feeling very tired. I feel very tired. I have no energy.
And maybe you feel hot or cold. I feel hot. I feel cold. Or you have chills. I have chills.
This is a great basic list, so when you call you can say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment. I have a fever and a cough." Simple.
Perfect. Now, the receptionist will probably ask you some questions. For example, what are your symptoms?
Or, can you tell me what's wrong?
They might ask, how long have you had these symptoms? That means, for how many days?
Ah, that's an important question. So you need to say, for 2 days. Since Monday, for about a week.
Yes, numbers and days are useful here. Let's practice that a little. Kevin, pretend you have had a sore throat for 3 days. How do you say it?
I have had a sore throat for 3 days.
Good. And if it started yesterday?
My sore throat started yesterday. Or, I have had a sore throat since yesterday.
Excellent. They might also ask about the severity. Is it very bad? Is the pain severe?
And you can say, it's not too bad. It's quite bad. It's very painful.
You can use words like a little, quite, very. I have a little cough. I have a very bad headache.
This is the basic vocabulary. Now, let's go a little deeper. Jen, Have you ever had a funny or embarrassing situation when trying to explain symptoms in English?
Oh, yes, I have one. This was a few years ago. I had a problem with my foot. My ankle was hurting,
Okay,
and I wanted to say my ankle is swollen. But, I was nervous. And I said, my uncle is swollen.
ha ha ha. What? Your uncle is swollen?
Yes. The receptionist was very confused. She said, "Excuse me, your uncle." And I said, "No, no, no, my ankle, the part of my leg." We both laughed a lot.
That is hilarious. Ankle and uncle do sound a little similar, especially when you're nervous. So, the lesson is, practice the pronunciation of body parts.
Exactly. Let's practice some tricky ones. Repeat after us, listeners. Ankle. ankle. Ankle.
Good. Another one. Elbow. elbow.
Shoulder. shoulder.
Throat. throat. Very important for today.
And stomach. stomach. But we say stomach.
Right. So, pronunciation is important to avoid funny misunderstandings. Now, another nuance. Sometimes you don't know the exact word for your symptom. What can you do then?
That's a good point. You can describe it. For example, if you don't know the word rash, you can say, I have red spots on my skin.
Yes, or my skin is red and itchy.
If you have a bruise, you can say, I have a blue and purple mark on my arm. It hurts.
Perfect. Use simple words to describe. It hurts when I walk. It hurts when I breathe. It itches. It burns.
You can also point. If you are at the doctor's office, you can point to the part of your body. It hurts here.
That's very useful. Okay, let's move on to another important part, making the appointment itself. What are some phrases you will hear from the receptionist?
They will ask about time. When would you like to come in?
Are you available on Tuesday morning?
The doctor has an opening at 3 p.m. on Wednesday. An opening means a free time, an available time.
And you need to respond. Tuesday morning is good for me.
Or, sorry, I can't on Tuesday. Do you have anything on Thursday?
Maybe you need an urgent appointment. You can say, I need to see the doctor as soon as possible, please.
Or, it's quite urgent.
And if it's not urgent, you can say, the next available appointment is fine.
They might also ask, is this a new problem or a follow-up? A follow-up is when you go back to the doctor to check on an old problem.
So you say, it's a new problem, or it's a follow-up appointment.
And don't forget to confirm the time. So, my appointment is on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Is that correct?
Yes, always confirm. And they will probably tell you, please arrive 10 minutes early, or please bring your insurance card.
Insurance. That's a big topic. But for the phone call, they might just ask, do you have insurance with us? Or, what is your insurance provider?
You can say, yes, I have insurance. Or you can give the name of the company. If you don't know the word, you can spell it. My insurance is AETNA.
Good idea. Okay, I think we have a lot of vocabulary and phrases now. Are you ready for a model dialogue, Kevin?
I am ready. Let's do a role play. I will be the patient, and you, Jen, can be the receptionist at the doctor's office.
Perfect. Okay, let's start. Clear throat. Ring ring. Ring ring.
Phone picking up sound, hello?
Hello, this is City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please.
Certainly. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Yes, my name is Kevin Smith. My date of birth is June 12, 1985.
Thank you, Kevin. And can you tell me what the appointment is for? What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a very bad sore throat and a headache. I also have a little fever, I think.
I see. And how long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days. Since Sunday.
Okay, we have an opening tomorrow, Tuesday, at 11:15 in the morning. Does that work for you?
Tomorrow at 11:15 a.m.? Yes, that works for me.
Great. And is this a new problem or a follow-up?
It's a new problem.
Alright, please arrive 10 minutes early to complete some paperwork. And don't forget your insurance card and ID.
Okay, I will. So, just to confirm, my appointment is tomorrow, Tuesday, at 11:15 a.m.?
That's correct. We'll see you then. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, hangs up sound.
Phew. Okay, that was a good, simple call.
It was. You did a great job, Kevin. You were clear and polite. You gave all the important information.
Thank you. Now, let's reverse the roles. Jen, you be the patient this time, and let's make it a tiny bit more complicated.
Okay, challenge accepted. I'm ready.
All right. Clears throat ring ring.
Hello, Westside Medical Center. This is Dr. Lee's office.
Hello, I need to make an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
Of course. Name and date of birth?
Jennifer Brown. I was born on April 3, 1990.
Thank you. What seems to be the problem today?
Well, I have a stomach ache, and I feel sick. Like I want to vomit. It's been like this since yesterday afternoon.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is the pain severe?
It's quite bad. Yes.
Okay, Dr. Lee is fully booked today, but we have a cancellation for Thursday at 4 p.m.
Oh, Thursday is in 2 days. I think I need to see someone sooner. It's quite urgent.
I understand. Let me check. We have an opening with our nurse practitioner this afternoon at 2:30. Would that work?
Yes, that is much better. This afternoon at 2:30 is perfect.
Great. It's with Nurse Miller. Is this a new patient visit, or are you already in our system?
I am a new patient.
All right. Please come 15 minutes early to fill out new patient forms. Bring a photo ID and your insurance card.
I will. And can you please confirm the address?
Sure. It's 123 Maple Street, on the second floor.
213 Maple Street, second floor. Thank you. See you this afternoon.
You're welcome. See you then. Hangs up.
Excellent, Jen. You handled the urgent situation very well. You asked for a sooner appointment and you confirmed the address. Very good.
Thank you. It's important to speak up if you really need to see a doctor quickly. Don't be shy.
Absolutely. Now, we've covered the phone call. But what about when you're actually at the doctor's office? Talking to the doctor or nurse?
Ah, yes, that's the next part. So you are in the room with the doctor. They will ask you similar questions, but maybe in more detail.
They might say, "So, what brings you in today?" That's another way to say, "Why are you here?"
And you can say, I have a sore throat and fever. Just like on the phone.
The doctor will ask more. Can you describe the pain? Is it a sharp pain or a dull ache?
Sharp pain is like a knife. Dull ache is a constant, low pain.
You can say, "It's a sharp pain when I swallow."
They might ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? 1 is no pain, 10 is the worst pain imaginable.
So you can say, "It's about a 7.
They will probably check you. They might say, let me take your temperature. Let me check your throat. Take a deep breath, please.
Simple commands. You just need to follow them. Open your mouth and say, "Ah."
Ha ha ha, everyone knows that one. Ah.
Exactly. Then, the doctor will give you a diagnosis. That means they tell you what is wrong. You have a virus. You have an infection.
And they might give you a prescription. That's the paper for medicine. You need to take this medicine.
They will give you instructions. Take this medicine twice a day, after meals.
It's very important to understand the instructions. If you don't understand, you must ask. Can you repeat that, please? How many times a day?
Yes. Never be afraid to ask. You can say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say it again slowly?"
Or, Can you write it down for me, please? That's a great idea.
Definitely. Now, let's do a quick mini role play of the part with the doctor. I'll be Dr. Kevin.
And I'll be patient Jen. I have a bad cough.
In a gentle doctor voice, "Hello Jen, I'm Dr. Kevin. What seems to be the problem?"
Hello, doctor. I have a very bad cough. And my chest hurts when I cough.
I see. How long have you had this cough?
For about 5 days. It's not getting better.
Okay, do you have a fever? Or a runny nose?
No fever. But yes, a little runny nose.
Alright. Let me check your chest. Take a deep breath in, and out. Again, please.
Deep breath sounds.
Thank you. It sounds like you have a chest infection. I'm going to give you a prescription for some antibiotics.
Antibiotics? Okay.
Yes, you need to take 1 pill in the morning and 1 pill in the evening after eating for 7 days.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that? 1 in the morning and
1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Always after a meal. So after breakfast and after dinner.
Okay, thank you. And should I drink a lot of water?
Yes, that's a good idea. Drink lots of water and get plenty of rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Back to normal voice. And scene.
Haha, well done, Dr. Kevin. You see, listeners, it's not so scary. Just explain your symptoms and ask questions if you're not sure.
Exactly. Now, I think we have covered a lot of ground. Let's do a quick review and give some final tips.
Yes, a recap. Tip number 1. Before you call, write down your symptoms and how long you have had them. This helps if you are nervous.
Great tip. Tip number 2. Practice the key phrases. I would like to make an appointment. I have a symptom. How long? For number days.
Tip number 3. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak slowly?
Tip number 4. Confirm the appointment details. Time, date, address.
Tip number 5. At the doctor's office, describe your symptoms clearly. Point to where it hurts. Use simple words.
And tip number 6. Understand the instructions for medicine. Ask them to write it down if you need to.
Perfect. Let's do a super quick fire review of key phrases. I say the situation, you give the phrase, Kevin.
Okay, I'm ready.
You call the office. First thing you say?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please.
They ask for your symptoms.
I have a sore throat and a fever.
They ask how long.
For 3 days.
They give you a time, but you can't go then.
Sorry, I can't on Tuesday. Do you have another time?
You need to see the doctor soon.
I need an appointment as soon as possible, please.
At the doctor's, they ask what brings you in.
I have a bad headache.
You don't understand the medicine instructions.
Can you write that down for me, please?
Excellent. You are a pro, Kevin.
Haha, thank you. I hope our listeners feel more confident now.
We really hope so. This is such a useful skill for living in an English-speaking country or traveling.
It is. Well, we are coming to the end of our episode. Thank you so much for spending this time with us on the Life in English podcast.
Yes, thank you. Before we go, we have a fun question for you, our amazing listeners.
Here is our viral call to action. We want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments below. What is the most common reason you go to the doctor? Is it always for a cold? Or something else?
Yes. Try to answer in English. You can write, I usually go to the doctor for, or the last time I went, it was because. We read all your comments and we love hearing from you.
It will be so interesting to see what everyone says. Maybe we are all the same, or maybe very different.
So, don't be shy. Go to the YouTube comments below and tell us. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and subscribe for more practical English lessons.
From both of us, Kevin and Jen, thank you again. Take care of your health, and we will see you in the next episode of Life in English podcast.
Bye everyone.
Goodbye.